Oo, and may mga guns din, syempre. And ayun, super exciting din. Ganun.
Me personally po, I haven't really watched. Hindi din po ako mahilig masyadong manood.
Actually, same then. But I watched The Godfather and some episodes of Peaky Blinders, so yeah.
Thank you. Can I ask fifth? Okay lang. Fifth, it's fifth, hi. Hello daw from Ice.
Hello
My-
po.
Hello
Opo.
from Isanya.
Yes,
It's
friend
good to
is
see
Ice.
you back, no? I hope you don't mind my asking, how does this series help you sa recovery mo after what you've been through?
Oh my God. Nakaka-emotional. Sorry. Ako kasi I love my work. I love filmmaking. I love my job. So, for me, pag ginagawa ko siya, I feel alive. And for me, I'm here because of my art. So, I'm happy na binigyan ako ng gantong chance ng Viva One, ng Viva. Ang tagal ko ring nawala sa Viva. I think yung last project ko sa kanila, pandemic pa. Tapos, nung nag-message siya, okay, Boss Val,
Sorry.
binigyan ako agad ng chance. So, I'm very, very thankful to have this project. Nakakatulong talaga siya sa akin sa lahat, emotional, mental, and everything.
And I'm sure tuloy-tuloy na yan.
Sorry. I got
sorry.
emotional
Sorry,
po.
baka na-trigger ka sa question. We're glad to see you back and I'm sure tuloy-tuloy na ang good breaks. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. And rounding off batch 2 from Barangay LSFM at Hata, we have John Fontanilla.
Kay Direk, ayan, medyo naiyak si Direk. Pero medyo light lang. Direk, marami nakakamiss sa'yo na umarte. Mas nakapokus na ba tayo sa pagdidirect and kinalimutan ba natin yung pag-arte na?
Ako po, mas focus na talaga ako ngayon sa directing, writing. Pero, syempre, hindi naman natin sinasarado yung doors. I think sa buhay, dapat lagi kang open sa mga bagay. So, if may magandang pyesa, why not? Mahal na mahal ko talaga yung industriyang pelikulang Pilipino.